Good morning everybody. So I've just been chilling all day. It is not the morning, it is currently like nearly 3 o'clock now. This puppy is pretty much asleep. She's on the verge of it anyway. But yeah, it's all nice and clean in here now. Oh, we got this coffee table yesterday. But yeah, it's all nice and clean in here now. I've just got to clean the kitchen and stuff, but that can wait for a minute. But yeah, so that's what's happening today. Basically, me and Mum and Jess went out for a walk. That's why she's like literally dead. We went for a nice long walk in one of our parks, and she sniffed a few dogs, which I was a bit nervous about, but it was fine. So yeah, I'm just hoping now that I can get something done in the kitchen now, because I get days when I feel like so motivated to do work and stuff, and then I get days when I'm like so I think today's one of those days where I just don't want to do anything. But yeah, that's what's happening. Do you guys hear that, or is it just me looking out? I think I'm gonna have like a nice dinner. I'm gonna have a salad or something for dinner, because I want to try and like use it like less than I am at the minute, because we're using quite a bit of food and I'm not happy that we're using so much food. So I'm going to try and cut down a bit. So yep, so that's what's happening today. I think my nan might be coming tomorrow, but she's unwell at the minute, so she's got a throat infection or something, because I spoke to her on the phone and she's not feeling too great. So I don't know whether she's basically supposed to be coming tomorrow, but Margaret said she's going to ring me later on to see if she's feeling any better, basically, and then if she is, then she's going to come visit us, but if not, then she won't, and we'll have to go down there, which isn't a problem. The bird's being so loud. But yeah, I'll probably catch you later, guys. And also, I'm really sorry for the lack of like vlog content recently. I've just not been motivated to do anything, and it really sucks, because I promised you a daily vlog and stuff. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. This is my fidget spinner, guys, and Jess hates it. Literally hates it. Tell you. Kitty. She literally hates this so much. Oops. Hang on. Oh. Do you not like it? Do you not like it, baby? She literally camera shy. He's like, no, I bliminate. He's like, no, I bliminate you. No, you're not camera shy at all. Far from it. She'd rather be in the camera. I used to do this thing called a pasta salad, and basically it was obviously pasta, and basically it just tasted really nice. It was, you had pasta with just some salad and just random things like that. Whoa, that's really bright. 2 seconds. Oh, that's better. I really don't know how bright that came up, so I apologise if it came up really bright for you. But yeah, basically today I thought, why not do a pasta salad? So that's what I'm doing basically. And this pasta salad will have sweet corn. Basically I'm going to put it all in a massive bowl and just mix it all up. So I've got some sweet corn, some lettuce and just some random crap like that. Just put all this in. I mean, I ain't the best cook ever, but I do try my best. So with this then, you just have some ham. So you put a slice of ham, and then because I have more chicken roll, I put quite a few. So I've got 2 pieces there, and then you just cut them up like this. I don't know if you can see me through this, but whatever. But I'll update you when the pasta's done. So at the minute we just got sweet corn and ham. The finished product. So I ended up putting mixed herbs and stuff in there. Sorry, Jess is trying to get it. Hang on. So I ended up putting mixed herbs, sweet corn, tomatoes, cucumber, lettuce, put a bit of mixed herbs, salad cream and mayonnaise. And this is how it turned out. Hey guys, so it is now a lot later when I filmed last. I think the last clip was of my food, which I ate and it was bloody lush. But now I'm about to just wipe up a few dishes and things like that, to be honest, because I'm not doing anything else apart from having a shower in a bit. But I'm currently watching, I don't know if you can tell what I'm watching, Mrs. Brown's Boys. Fun fact, I never used to like Mrs. Brown's Boys, and then I started watching it, like properly watching it, because basically I was told I'm girled over that. Sorry, I'm just charging my phone because it's on quite a low percentage at the minute. So 2 seconds, let me just plug you in. There we go. So yeah, I've got more into Mrs. Brown's Boys because Craig recommended it to me, and I really like it now. I find some of the bits I don't find that funny, but most of the bits I do. Like there's obviously like the one bit you can't find everything funny in the programme. But yeah, I really like it, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just junk watch Mrs. Brown's Boys. Guys, about 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, Jess has this like has this like complete mad hour where she looks like a loony running around. I'll insert a clip. Guys, this is normal, please. She's not having that mouth now. She's mad. She's nuts. Right, I'm gonna head to bed now. I hope you've enjoyed today's vlog. If you have, give it a thumbs up and shout out to me for cutting my finger in the shower with a razor. Shave my armpits and I also shave my hand. So yeah, I'm gonna go bed now. So I'll speak to you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Good night.